Try again. Long questions and answers in 60 to 80 words each. What lesson does King Bruce learn from the spider? King Bruce learns the value of perseverance from the spider. Despite failing multiple times, the spider keeps trying to reach its web and finally succeeds. This motivates the king to try again rather than give up. He realizes that failure is not the end and steady effort can lead to success. The spider's determination teaches him that he too can succeed by not losing hope. Number 2. How does the spider act as a symbol of patience and determination? The spider tries repeatedly to climb up to its web despite falling down each time. It makes 9 unsuccessful attempts yet does not give up. On the 10th attempt, it finally reaches its goal. The spider's calm and steady efforts symbolize the qualities of patience and determination, inspiring not just King Bruce but also the readers to remain focused and consistent even in difficult times. Number 3. Describe King Bruce's state of mind at the beginning of the poem. At the beginning of the poem, King Bruce is in a state of deep despair and disappointment. He feels defeated after many failed attempts to achieve victory for his people. He lies down, overwhelmed with sorrow, and considers giving up completely. His low emotional state shows that even brave leaders can feel discouraged, but they can overcome it with inspiration and inner strength. Why do you think the poet uses a narrative style to tell the story? The poet uses a narrative style to present the story of King Bruce and the spider in a way that is engaging and easy to understand. It reads like a short story, making it suitable for younger readers. Through storytelling, the poem delivers a clear moral lesson in an interesting way. It also helps readers emotionally connect with the characters and understand the importance of never giving up. Number 5. How did King Bruce's attitude change after watching the spider? King Bruce begins the poem feeling hopeless and ready to give up. However, after watching the determined spider, he feels encouraged and motivated. He realizes that if such a small creature can succeed through patience and repeated effort, so can he. The change in attitude leads him to gather his strength, try again, and eventually succeed in achieving his goal for his people. Number 6. What does the poem teach us about handling failures? The poem teaches us that failure are part of success and should not stop us from trying again. It shows that every failure is a step towards learning and growth. Like the spider, we must not let setbacks stop us. Instead, we should rise each time and work harder. Success comes to those who remain persistent, even when the journey is difficult and full of obstacles. Number 7. How is the spider's struggle similar to challenges people face in life? The spider's struggle is symbolic of the difficulties people face in their personal or professional lives. Just like the spider keeps trying to reach its web, people also try to reach their goals. They may fail many times, but determination and belief in themselves help them succeed. The spider's journey reminds us that success comes through patience, effort, and repeated attempts. Number 8. What makes the spider's final success important in the poem? The spider's final success is important because it serves as the turning point in the poem. It not only completes its own goal but also inspires King Bruce to change his attitude. Without that success, the message of the poem would be incomplete. The final victory shows that repeated failure does not mean final failure. It gives hope and highlights the importance of never giving up. Number 9. Why is the line, "He flung himself down in low despair," significant? The line shows King Bruce's deep disappointment and emotional struggle. The use of the word flung suggests a sudden and strong reaction, while low despair highlights his extreme sadness. It sets the mood of the poem and makes the reader sympathize with him. This line is also significant because it contrasts sharply with his later determination, showing how change and inspiration can come even at the lowest point. Number 10. How can we apply the message of the poem in our daily lives? The poem reminds us that persistence, patience, and belief in oneself are essential in life. Whether in school, sports, work, or relationships, we all face failures and challenges. Instead of giving up, we should keep trying like a spider and learn from our mistakes. By applying this message, we develop resilience and courage, which help us grow stronger and eventually succeed in our efforts.